Sometimes vinyl siding panels must be replaced due to damage, inspection, or other reasons. To start, slip a ziploc tool behind the bottom of the panel above the one to be replaced and unzip it. Now gently bend out the upper panel. Take the nails out of the damaged panel and remove it. Now lock onto the new panel and nail it in place. Use the ziploc tool again to zip the upper panel over the lock on the new panel. You can replace a damaged corner post with a series of cuts. Cut away the face of damaged corner, leaving the nail hem intact. Remove the nail hem from the replacement corner and trim it to fit. Place the new corner over the nailing hem of the old one and fasten it into position.